G'day everyone, Matty from Modifications Australia. Just going to do a little mod to the van. Just with all the anti-flap kits and all the crap that you carry with your van. I don't want to put too much weight on this back drawbar, but I thought it'd be awesome just to chuck it inside a bit of PVC pipe and just have it so it's simple to get to out of that front box up there and give me a bit more room in the front box. So I thought, I'm doing it, I'll show you how to do it. Shouldn't take too long, so I'll give it a go. So all I've done is gone for a trip to Bunnings and I got end cap, screw on cap for one end, the other attachment for the screw on cap, some brackets to mount it, some space up brackets, some plumber's glue. I just got some tech screws to screw it to the frame. Also bought 3 meters, it's probably a bit excessive, it's turned out, of 150mm. So the biggest drama I'm going to have is I was hoping to go the whole drawbar, but as you can see my tail lights are impaired, so I'm going to have to go in between the tail light switch. It's still going to do what I want it to do, but I've just lost that bit of room. So here we go.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where.
I'll seal one end. Perfect. Bing. It's on there. Sorry about that guys, the GoPro died, but what I did was tech screwed the brackets in, bend them down. Probably going to get one more for the middle. It's not heavy, but just to give it a bit more support. And I'm also going to paint it black, I think. It's definitely got a bit of wobble, but I'm hoping that third bracket will take that out of it. But I'll tell you what, it worked perfectly because so it's worked out well. As you can see, I can fitted all my anti-flap kit in, which is what I wanted. It's easy to get to, and I got it out of that front box, which has made a hell of a lot more room. I've made a bit of a barbecue slide up there, so I'm able to use that a lot better now. Hope this helps someone out. Remember to subscribe, like, and I'll see you again soon.